2, 3, let's go.
And once again, welcome back to the Indian Captains. So as you read the title, it's part 2 of the DGCA Medicals. So as we seen in the last episode of part 1, I told you about class 2 medicals, the cost of it, where you can get it done, and also the tests that's involved. So today we're going to talk about the next one, which is class 1 medical. Now class 1 medical tends to be a little bit more stricter, as it's mostly done by Air Force centers, and also it's done by civil centers, but not that many, just few of them. I'll make sure to put the link down below for the centers that do the class 1 medical. Furthermore, so one thing I forgot to mention about class 2 last time was that class 2 medical is only valid for 2 years. So once you're done with the class 2 medical, then you get a CA35 form that's given on the same day by the doctor that does it, and you take that form, which is like saying that okay, you got your medical done, but it's not the original one. The original one shall be mailed to you by the DGCA to your home address. Probably takes 2 months, 3 months, sometimes more, it depends. So once you have the original copy or the CA35, you can just go and get your class 1 done. And one of the centers that I'm going to put the link below, it is by the DGCA only. You go, you show your CA35 form. And one more thing, since these tests are done at Air Force centers, and you have to fill it up and send it to them. And this is mostly done by offline, but nowadays online is getting accepted too. And then they'll give you a date and time to come and do it. Now if you go for the civil ones, you can just get up an appointment via call or email, both works. So once you have done that, you can go there, get the test done. Now sometimes they ask you to bring blood tests and urine tests or any other tests, but since some of my friends did it, and when I did it, we didn't need to do any tests other than that. We just had to go for that and just do the test there. So yeah, so once you're done with that, and it's just going to be slightly stricter, it's not going to be that easy as class 2 because it's going to be for higher standards. And with class 1, it has a duration of 1 year, so every year you have to renew it, and that's what every pilot does. Furthermore, the cost for the class 1 medical is somewhere around 8,000 to 10,000, almost same as the class 2. So yeah, once you have the class 1, then you can just apply for your commercial pilot license, saying that you have all the other documents. So that was the end of the DGCA class 1 and class 2 medicals. And if you still do happen to have any more doubts or anything you want to clarify, please feel free to comment down below or ping us in our Instagram handles that will be given down below. And also, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.
Let's go.